Hello guys. So on my TikTok, I told you guys I'm gonna show pictures of Brent Rivera and Dixie Rivera so that you know who it is. If you know it is, just scroll because you know already. But if you wanna stay, stay. So yeah, let's go. But my TikTok name is Miss Independent, but only followers can see. So I don't know what's the truth. So this is Brent Rivera and this is Dixie Rivera. They are super kind and they are brother and sister. You can't see it because of the hair, but the eyes, I'm gonna show Brent Rivera's picture. So yeah, you can basically see by the eyes they look like sister and brother, but by the hair, not so much. So yeah, go and subscribe to them and like their videos because they are very interesting. So I'm gonna put it in the description, Brent Rivera and Lexi Rivera. Bye!